Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. If you're still saving passwords in your browser, you're taking a risk you don't need to take. A password manager makes it easier to use strong, unique passwords for every account without having to remember them all. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Bitwarden in under 5 minutes and secure your online accounts the right way. Let's get started. Okay, so we want to create our account, and to do this you want to go to bitwarden.com. I will leave a link in the description below, and then from here you want to select Get Started Free, and then you want to select Personal, and then scroll down and just getting started, create free account. From here we want to enter our email, and where it says server location, I'm in the EU, so I'm going to select bitwarden.eu, and I'm going to select sign up. And once we've done this, we will get an email verification, and we will go and open that up now. Okay, so if we head over to our inbox, we will see an email from Bitwarden saying verify your email. So we'll open this and select verify email. And now it's going to ask us for a master password. So create something strong and something obviously that you'll remember. And then confirm the master password. And then you could add a password hint if you like, and also check known data breaches for this password, and then select create account. Now if we just give that a moment, your new account has been created. Okay, so from here it says autofill your password securely with one click. Get the extension. So we want to select get the extension and add to Brave. And this is what allows Bitwarden to automatically save and fill passwords on websites. So once it's installed, you want to click on the Bitwarden icon. So if we go up here and we see our Bitwarden Password Manager, and then we want to select Login, and we enter our email address that we signed up with. And we can select remember email and then continue, and then you want to enter your master password. And then see down here, it says accessing bitwarden.com. I created mine with the bitwarden.eu, if you remember, a step or two back. So I'm going to select this and then log in with master password. Now from here we can look at importing existing passwords. Okay, so now we want to import existing passwords, and I'm going to take my passwords from Firefox and I'm going to bring them into Bitwarden on Brave. So if I go to my Firefox browser and I type about logins and hit enter, this will bring me to my passwords. So from here, I will go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner and select export passwords. And then you want to continue with export. And I'm going to save them to the desktop and then select export. Okay, so from here then we can close Firefox and we can open up our Brave browser and then go to the little jigsaw icon in the top right and select Bitwarden Password Manager. And from here you want to select Import Existing Passwords. And then we will scroll down to choose file, and I'll go to desktop and I can see the password CSV. I'm going to select this, and then file format you want to select Firefox CSV and then select import. A total of 2 items were imported, so the passwords have been imported. Just give it a few minutes if you have a lot, and then all your existing logins should appear in the Bitwarden vault. And you want to take a quick look through them to make sure everything transferred correctly. So next we want to secure your Bitwarden account. So to do this, you want to log in through your browser to your Bitwarden account, and then you want to go to settings at the left hand side and you want to go to security. And then from here you want to select two-step login. Now, there's a warning here. Your single-use recovery code can be used to turn off two-step login in the event that you lose access to your two-step login provider. Bitwarden recommends you write down the recovery code and keep it in a safe place. So what you want to do there is view your recovery code, make a note of it and put it away somewhere safe. Then from here, you would scroll down and we will select Authenticator app. Then it's going to ask us for our password. So we'll fill in our password and then continue. And then here with the with your Authenticator app, you can use your Google one that you can get at the Google Play Store, and then you'll just scan the QR code and then you'll enter your verification down here and select turn on. And then you have enabled two-factor authentication. This means that even if someone learns your master password, they still won't be able to access your vault. Okay, so now we can start generating strong passwords. One of the best features of Bitwarden is its built-in password generator. So whenever you create a new account or change a password, you can just click on Generate Password. And to do this, we'll go up to the extensions icon in the top right and select Bitwarden Password Manager. And then if you scroll down the bottom, you'll see next to Vault there's Generator. So we'll select this. And then you can enter the length of the password you want. You can include letters, capital letters, small letters, numbers, and characters, special characters. And then you can just select here to generate your password to whatever you want, really. It removes the temptation to reuse passwords across multiple websites. Also, take a few minutes to review your most important accounts, email accounts, banking, social media, cloud storage. Replace any weak or reused passwords with new ones generated by Bitwarden. Even updating a handful of critical accounts can make a huge difference to your security. And that's it. Your Bitwarden setup is complete. You now have a secure password vault, strong unique passwords, and an extra layer of protection with two-factor authentication. If this video helped you, subscribe to Safe Web Life for more simple privacy and security tutorials without the fluff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.